Yes. You take 13 and you divide it by your denominator, which is 10. How many times is 10 going to 13? 1. So you have 3 left over. That's your denominator. Yeah. So numerator. You put the 10 on bottom, and it's 1 3/10. If your numerator is greater than the denominator, you have to divide it into the top number. This will give you a mixed number. Please turn on to the back.
Let's press the big, there we go, to the left. There we go.
Here's an easy rhyme to help you remember what to do.
Now this is about dividing fractions this time. So at first we had multiplying. Now he's going to show you an example on how to divide a fraction.
When dividing fractions, don't ask why, just look to second and multiply. Does anybody know what that means? Yes.
You flip the fraction?
Yes. This means that when you're dividing fractions, you can't divide. Copy, change, flip is a quick way to remember what to do. Here's an example. You can't divide fractions, really. So you keep this, you just take it down, change this, and you flip these completely upside down. So it's 3, 2. Follow the rule. You don't need to reduce this. Oh. Then you multiply across just like all the others. So that's 3. What's 2 times 2, Jay? So it's 4/3. You can't reduce 4/3. So you have your answer.
Now, guys, another way of flipping something is called a reciprocal. Okay? That means to flip it. Okay, that's the math term. Reciprocal means to flip. Same thing. It's only when dividing. Like he said, don't ask why, just change the sign and multiply. Same thing.
Raise your hand if any of you actually want to come up here and do this.
What do you say?
Okay, Mr. Isaac, want to try a problem? Yes, that's what he said. Okay, let's see if he can get it correct.
Bring this down. 10, 17, 14, 14. Put that one down. You put multiply or divide? No, multiply?
Yes, you just multiply across, right?
You said your rings is?
Oh, you have to find the common denominator.
I'm confused.
Look.
Let's see. Now, guys, on multiplying something, remember, you just multiply going across.
You have to find the common denominator before you can actually do anything. Because you can't multiply 4 times 3 or else they won't be the same number. So what's the common denominator?
No. Now, let's see. Colton, wait, baby. Now, we're talking about multiplying, right? Let's go ahead and multiply going across first. Because now you think about adding and subtracting fractions. There we go. Multiply going across.
What's 17 times
Yes.
3?
Wait.
Anybody know?
51.
Yes. Give her a second.
51.
61?
51.
So 17 times 3.
No, 51.
You got 51.
51.
All right, well, I'm going on your answer.
Did you get 51? Okay, 51.
That was 4
times 7, Jonah.
Yes. Now, can we keep that number?
No.
Why? Why?
Because 51 is bigger than 28, that's going to be improper fraction.
Ms. Holman, why can't we keep that number?
Because 51's bigger than 28, and that's an improper fraction, just like you said.
So what do we do with that number?
We got to simplify it. I'm an artist.
What do we do? Divide it, thank you.
And what do we call that, guys? Top dog in the house. Top dog in the house.
Would somebody like to come up here and do that? Jay?
Very good. So guys, that means anytime you have an improper fraction, you must change it to a mixed number at the very end. So your answer should never be an improper fraction. Always finish it off by making a mixed number. Sorry.
Does anybody know how to do number 2? Brandon? Well, I didn't see your hand up. You need to be in the classroom. Not in the classroom, do this. Answer that, that's fine. I'll be changed. Look.
And I love his arrows too, because he's letting me know that, oh, I'm bringing everything down. I love the arrows.
Now, so you go into 40 evenly, right? There's nothing left over. So if you go into a whole amount of time, so that's your whole number. So it isn't a fraction. Good job. Good job. Thank you.
So the answer is just 5, right?
And
Just
if
5.
you look at the bottom, you can see who it was made by,
Okay.
which I'm very proud of.
That's on both sides.
Okay, guys. Now,